Hey guys, welcome back to FearlessRN. So today's video is all about how to make a study schedule. I've been asked this question numerous times and I thought about how would I be able to address this in a general way. We all should know that a study schedule is individualized to each person. We all study differently, we all learn differently, and we all have different things in life that may, lessen our chances of getting a full study session, or maybe enhance the chances of getting a full study session. Maybe you have a family, maybe you have a full-time job, maybe you're working and going to school. There's so many different things. So I'm just going to speak generally because obviously there's so many of you that I cannot get through to, give you a specific study schedule. But what I will say is the important thing you need to do first is assess how do you study. So if you know that you're a learner by visuals, then you have to gather all your visuals together. And then also, when do you study best? Are you a night person like me? Or are you a day person? That is very important when it comes to studying, because if you're a night person like me and you're trying to study in the morning, it's not going to work out too well because you're going to be so drowsy and your body's accustomed to sleeping. For me personally, I had to get accustomed to waking up early so that I can function in the daytime. If you're like me, then that's what you're going to have to do. Another thing that you must take in consideration is what are your distractors, or what is going on in your life right now that may decrease or increase your amount of time to study. Once you can address those, then you can see whether you can devote a certain amount of time here or there to study. The next thing you want to do is, based on whatever topic you have to study, take a quiz on it. There's so many things you can find online. Take an online quiz of maybe 10 questions and figure out if you have any weaknesses or strengths in those areas. The areas that are your weakness, I want you guys to put those topics at the top. So when you're studying, try to get through the tough ones first. I say that because personally for me, in the past, I would put some difficult ones, some easy ones, some difficult ones, and when I got to the easy ones, I was like, oh man, this is easy. Next thing was the hard one and I gave up. So if you put yourself right there, like boom, get the hard things done now, the easy things are like a reward for you. Then you need to see, based on if you have a job, if you're going to school, how many hours are you going to school and going to your job? Then how many hours of classwork do you have to do? How many hours of free time do you have for yourself? Put those variables together and figure out how many hours in a day can you do studying and how many hours throughout a week can you do studying. That way you can evenly divide your time. Nursing school or studying for NCLEX is a lot, trust me. So if you're organizing your time or being better at time management, then you'll be successful. So I do recommend that you can make a little check-off list or even use a monthly calendar, which you can easily download off of the internet and fill that out. If you have any additional questions, please let me know and I'll be glad to answer them. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and please share it out with a friend or two and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys later. Good luck and ciao!